Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Age is just a number, and my name is Barbara Jean. This is a channel for women over 40, 50, 60, 70, and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty. And we're going to be talking about beauty today because I have a few things that I think are the perfect combination and products for the mature woman for an easy look. So to catch you up really quick, I've already done my foundation, and what I used first was, after I primed, of course, I used this Becca Illuminating Primer, and then for my foundation, I've used my Il Makiage Woke Up This Way foundation. And then I have used the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. So, and this is, yeah, so I used the bronzer is right here, and then it's got the highlighter. So I've already, on my eyelids and under eye, I used the Milani Supercharged color corrector, and this is in 110 Pink Rose. And then on top of that, I went in with my e.l.f. Camo concealer, and then I lightly powdered those with my By Terry hyaluronic powder. So I've already done all that. So for a blush, here's what I've done. I don't know, can you see this? Okay, because I used the Film Star bronzer and highlighter. So the palette that I'm going to be using on my eyes is this one by Charlotte Tilbury, and it's called the Darling Look. I'm thinking, is that what it is? Yeah, Darling Look. And it is a little palette that has 6 shades. And it's broken up into, let's see if you can see it on the back here, to a day look and a night look. This is a palette that is so beautiful and so simple and so classic and elegant. Just, I mean, I think it's what every classic woman would need. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the day look and see what we get. But what I have done for my blush, this number 3 right here, which is called Smoke, it's Smoke Umber. I dipped an old, this is an old Morphe brush, yes. And it's a blending brush, but I keep it around for things, little bitty pans that I need. And I just lightly put it in there, and then I just kind of put it lightly my cheekbone or in this area. Then I took the brush that I applied my bronzer with, which is, oh, right here, the BK Beauty 103. And then I just blended those together, okay? And then I went in with the Film Store bronzer with that same brush and just did a little bit of highlight with it. So that is how I'm coordinating my face to this. So let's start off with this, and I'm going to go in with the shade number 3 that I put on the blush as my crease shade. And I'm going to go in using the BK Beauty 202. It is a larger crease shade, but we're just going to go into the tip with that. And then I'm just going to start building it. These colors are a dream. So we're just going to lightly go in, build that up. Since I've already done my foundation, everything, I'm not going out far, but I will kick it back right here at the corner, just a little bit. I'm going to go in with another round of that, kick it back up a little bit, ever so slightly, and then blend into the crease. Blend into the crease. Come back in and pick up a little bit for the corner of the lid. All right, see, it's just ever so slightly. It's beautiful. It blends perfect in there. Now you can take a smaller crease brush, which right here is the Angie Hot and Flashy BK Beauty number A504. See how much smaller it is? And we'll go back into that color and just put a little bit more into that crease right there, just in a controlled place. Take the other blending brush. Make sure that there's no harsh lines, that it is blended. All right, now I'm going to go in that second color right here, the daytime look, and I'm going to actually use, let me find, this is the Angie Hot and Flashy, and this is for shimmers and glitters, 850-505, flat, rounded. So I'm going to go into that second color, just drag some on one side of it. It's kind of a peachy gold, and I'm just going to put that on the lid. Go back, do a little bit more. Then the blending brush again, and kind of just go over the edges of that. And then the first color, which is the highlighter color, we're just going to go in that flat brush again. I just swiped it off in the switch pan, and I'm just going to grab a little bit on one side of it, and then just put it underneath the brow bone right there. Blending brush again, and kind of just take that color up into there to where you want to just seamlessly have them melt. The flat brush now, because of the shape of it and everything, I'm going to go into that third color again, the one I used in the crease. I'm just going to dip into it, and then I'm just going to drag it under the eye right there, just for a little bit of definition. And this is the daytime look, remember? So there we go. So I'm going to go off and do the other eye and do my mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, and I have done the other eye with the mascara. So we're going to do some lips now. So what I want to do is, I had put moisturizer on there for the lip balm before and everything. So now I'm going to take my concealer, just a touch. Kind of cancel out some of that. And so there's that. I'm going to go back to the Film Star Bronzer Mini, and I'm going to take a pointed little brush. This one happens to be by Refer, and this is a technique that I do all the time where I contour, and I'm just going to shade a little bit above the full part of my lips. You know, ladies, as we do get older, our lips do get thinner, so anything we can do with that illusion is just a little boost to help. And then I'm going to also go under here a little bit, the bottom part of the fullness. And then I'm going to take this little brush, which is just a pointy flat brush, very little, very, very small. I'm just going to dip the tip into that, tap it off. And then I'm just going to slightly put a little shadow, create a shadow, that's what I'm saying today, for a turned up, but not too much. Just a little shadow is all you're wanting to create. Okay, so what I'm going to be using on my lips now is from a little set that is from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's called the Pillow Talk Lip Kit. And in it is the Pillow Talk lip liner, and then the Pillow Talk lipstick. So, lip liner. And I like to kind of lay it on the side to get a bolder line. Not bold in color, but bolder in size. All right, in the lipstick, which is, this is, I believe it's the matte, let's see, Matte Revolution. So that's the formula of it. So it's this would be perfect to carry in your purse. And this is just a beautiful neutral color. Your lips but better type. So there's the lips, and I want to show you this, how this looks with the eyeshadow. If you look at the, if you just kind of put the colors together, if I can get this opened here. All right, here's the eyeshadow palette. And here's the lipstick. Do you see how beautiful that goes together? It's a wonderful combination, I think. So, here is the final daytime look. So, oh, real quick, I want to show you ROMA jewelry. You know, ROMA designer jewelry. I'm an affiliate for them, and they sent me a Christmas gift. And it is this shining star pendant. Isn't this gorgeous? I don't know if you can see, if I can get this up close. I don't know if I can put it up here, but it's absolutely gorgeous on this beautiful adjustable chain. Now, they also sent the matching earrings, which are on these little hoops right here, oval type, almost like a paperclip type hoop. That, and I don't have the charms on there, but they do have the, but they're the same little in a smaller than this. So they sent me this, and this is just absolutely wonderful. And I have a discount code down below, 25% off under, look under Roma Designer Jewelry in my affiliate links down there. So I wanted to show that to you because I've been loving this, and I absolutely love it with the V-neck. I mean, it's such a classic look to match the shape of your necklace to the shape of your top. So, all right. Here's what we're going to do, because it is the holiday season. And you know, I did, my last giveaway was because I was paying it forward from a gift card that I had won from Mary Ellen at over 60. Well, I'm doing it again. This time, it is going to be the eyeshadow palette from Charlotte Tilbury. It's going to be the Film Star bronzer that I used. Mine is over here. Here's this one. And then the Pillow Talk lip kit. So this is going to be in my little holiday giveaway to say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, thanks to all my subscribers. So if you want to enter, you need to be at least 18 years old. You need to be publicly subscribed to my channel. You need to give me a like, follow me over on Instagram as well. And you need to use the words enter me so that I know that you want to be entered. If you're not, you don't have to, but if you do want to, you have to have a U.S. mailing address. I will put the rules and everything down below. So once this goes up, which I'm hoping it's going to go up on Thursday, the 22nd, and then I'm going to leave it up until New Year's Eve. So New Year's Eve is when I will make the announcement. And once I make the announcement of the winner, the winner will need to notify me by my IG direct message or to the email that's listed down below in the description box. So that is what I have for you today. And I thought it would be a nice gift for somebody, a little Charlotte Tilbury giveaway, because all these products are perfect for the mature woman. So that's what I got. So I hope everybody's having a wonderful holiday season and staying safe and staying warm. And until I see you again, but let me repeat this. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'm getting so close to 4,000. I had set a goal for myself to make it to 4,000 by the first of the year. I'm so close. So, yes. So that's all I've got again. I hope you enjoyed this, but I'm going to get out of here now. So remember, ladies, what I tell you every single day to get up and show up because you're worth it. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day.